Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out this final test video of John's QuadraFire Pellet Stove Controller. John sent me this one because he was having a couple big problems with it. One is, we discussed that he had a chattering relay inside, and B, he could not get the igniter to come on. Otherwise, I could not see any other issues, but those were two major issues which would stop the controller from working for sure. So, I received it today. I spent some time on it, and I've replaced 4 components on the circuit board, and it's now ready to go. I've gone through testing and I'm quite happy with the way it's performing. So let's go ahead and do the final test on it. I'll go ahead and turn on my controller, my Pellet Stove Controller tester, and that will make a couple lights come on. The combustion or room fan simulator. So my tester has 4 lights on it. One checks the igniter, one simulates the combustion fan, one simulates the auger, and in this case I have a convection room fan light, but that's not going to come on because the stove does not control the convection fan on this model of pellet stove. So I'm not currently calling for heat, so my call for heat light is not on, my thermostat is off, and I'm setting at room temperature right now. What I'll go ahead and do is I'll go ahead and call for heat, and we'll see my light come on, and when we do that, the igniter should come on, and so will the auger motor. So let me go ahead and do that. There it is. So I'm calling for heat. We can see that because my call for heat light is on. The igniter just came on, and the auger just came on as well. The auger will stay on for 2 minutes. I've already pre-tested that. I've checked it off on my list of things to check. So we're at my 2-minute check is good. And I've also done the 10-minute check to tell me that the controller will turn off the igniter after 10 minutes if the fire has not ignited and has not reached at least 1170 degrees Fahrenheit. So being at room temperature right now, I'm at about 51 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll go ahead and crank up the temperature, and as I approach 235 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll see the light on the controller itself. It's hard to see right now, but we'll see the green light here come on. So let me crank that up to 235. There we go, and we see the light come on and off as I tweak the temperature. So that's functioning correctly. So at 234, that's what we see here, 234, and I'm at 235, lights on. So I'll go ahead and crank it up for the red light to come on at 1170. Whoops, sorry about that, 1170. Let me go back up here. And when I reach 1170 and the red light comes on, we'll notice that the igniter will shut off. We're just about there. There it is, the light shut off. We got the red light came on, the igniter went off. So if I ramp it down a little bit, red light goes off, igniter comes back on. That is standard operating. So everything there is fully functional, and it's looking good. So John, your controller is now once again fully functional. The 10-minute timer works, the 2-minute timer works, the green light comes on at approximately 235 degrees Fahrenheit, and the red light will come on at 1170 and it turns off the igniter. So that's all correct. I'll go ahead and turn off the thermostat, not call for heat, and we see the auger motor stops. So if we had a fire happening in there, which we do, that would slowly burn itself off until it burnt itself out, since there's no more pellets being fed into the controller. I'll turn up the thermostat, and we see that the auger comes back on. So we're good to go here. I do want to thank you for sending me your controller. I appreciate that very much. For all of you other viewers out there, if you have a QuadraFire pellet stove controller that has problems of your own, please feel free to contact me. My contact information will be in the video description down below, or you can leave some comments below here. In either case, I do hope that you'll take a few seconds to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. Everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.